Helmsman trawlers are well built from the keel up. We are highlighting in a series of short videos some of the features and construction methods that distinguish these finely crafted boats. In this episode, we're looking at Helmsman Trawlers' ability to customize layouts, equipment, cabinetry, and more. I'm only providing a flavor for what Helmsman Trawlers can do in this short illustration. The fact is that our boats are built to order, and we have an exceptional ability to customize to buyers' preferences very economically. There's no short or limited list of options with us. Most of our customers are experienced boaters who know what they want and how they will use their boats, and we honor that knowledge and experience. In fact, many of our owners' ideas and customizations add to our repertoire of options or lead to larger evolutionary changes. Hull colors are an obvious place to start. A few recent examples include San Mateo wheat, Fighting Lady yellow, pigeon blue, sky blue, and Kingston gray. But the color spectrum of choices is vast, and we can add custom hull stripes or other aesthetic features too. Our custom exterior fiberglass work is exceptional and appears in no way to be an afterthought. Cockpit side entry doors and pilothouse bulwark doors are more common examples, but here's an unusual one, a fish box built into the swim platform. And there are many ways to build and configure custom exterior cabinets in the cockpit or on the bridge deck. We're not limited to isolated features either. Recent boats have been built with wholesale changes to their interiors, including custom salon layouts and galley layouts designed in cooperation with their buyers. One of the hallmarks of Helmsman Trawlers is our extraordinary joinery work, and this extends to custom cabinetry features. If we can draw it, the yard can build it beautifully, and we can build in provisions that accommodate an owner's preference to add items after delivery, like preferred seating. Not surprisingly, some people have preferences for different equipment, things that suit their intended use and enjoyment of the boat, and they may prefer that the equipment be installed in non-standard locations. These illustrations show a variety of these custom installations, and even a couple of non-standard engines. It's our belief that a yacht is not a commodity, and ours are not mass-produced. They are as individual as you are and can be built to fit ideally while still being surprisingly affordable.